Hey folks, got a 2018 here, Jeep Compass. You guys want to do front brake pads and rotors? I'm going to go through this real quickly for you since the job is already done. So I can't go backwards. All right, let's see here. For your brake caliper, after you pull your wheels off, of course, brake caliper, there's two 14 millimeter bolts right here. Take them off, hang them up off to the side so that you don't bend the hose. Right, the caliper itself, clean it up, push the piston in all the way down, then lubricate it with the slide grease. Okay, I put over here, and then the back of the piston. All right, hang it off to the side, no big deal here. Over here, these bolts here, they're like reverse external Torx bolts. There's two of them. Okay, they're E20s. This is what they look like. All right, there's an E20. Take that off, the bracket comes out. You can take the brake pads off before the brackets, or you take it with the bracket that comes out. Clean the bracket off, put new clips on there. Okay, when it comes to the rotors, there's a set screw in there. The size of that set screw is 7/32. It is not, so it's not a metric Allen, it's a 7/32. All right, 7/32. We take that set screw out, replace the rotor, clean it, get all the oil out, put it back in, put the set screw back in. You're going to need it. That set screw is going to hold this rotor right exactly where it is. Otherwise, it's going to spin. All right, and then you're not going to be able to line up the lug nut bolt. All right, and that's it. You got to put it back. Rotor's back in. Caliper bracket with the new hardware. Okay, tighten it down. This is 110 foot-pounds. And these are 26 foot-pounds. All right, talk that to specs, clean everything, new brake pads. Time to put the caliper back in, and you're good. All right, that's it. And by the way, these lug nuts, they suck. They suck. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.